Hello everyone. Do you know how can you add products to WooCommerce store? Here products are not only mean that we buy from internet but also includes the digital and subscriptions. In this video we will see how can you add the products to WooCommerce store. Hello, my name is Anurag. Welcome to the new video of Themank. Let's get started. So open your WordPress dashboard. You can see WooCommerce and products here in the left section. Go to products and click on add new product. First let me show you our shop page. This is our shop page. No products are here as we did not create so far. Going back and start by giving a name to your product. This is the title which will be shown on product page. In the product description, write the description of your product. This is the chance you can highlight the features, benefits and other important points of the product. In the pricing section, you need to fill in the price of the product. In the regular price, fill in the price, and if you want to make the product available in lower price, then you can fill the discounted price in sell price section. If you want to make the sell price available for between specific dates, then you can schedule the products and fill in the start and end date of the sale. Now come to short description. Here you can write the description dedicated to product only in the short. Now let's again see the product. Here our product has come. This is title, rate and description of the product. You can see. Now let's move forward. In the right side you can add the product image. This is one of the most important part of creating project, as this is the image the users will see. You can either upload the image from your storage or also pick from the media gallery. If you have multiple images of same product, then you can upload them to gallery images. Now these are the images I just uploaded. In the categories, if you didn't create any categories yet, then you can create here from this button, or if you created, you can assign them. I am assigning clothing category and t-shirt subcategory. In the product tags, you need to enter the keywords related to your product, which is good for SEO purpose. Okay, after all, when you done filling all the details, you can update the product and make it live. Now let's view our shop page. This is product page and you can see the image, title, rate, description and categories and tags here. These are the product gallery images and this is main description of the product. If user give reviews of the product, then you can see it here. Now that's it. This is how you can add the product to WooCommerce store. If you have a file and you want to sell it through your website, these type of products are called downloadable products. You can sell it through your website. Let's see how can you do so. Type the name of your product here. And in the simple product, click on this downloadable option. Enter the price. Click on add file and choose the file you want to sell. Here you can see it is uploaded. Type the name. If you want to set the download limit, you can set it from here, and you can also set a expiry date for product. After all, you can set an image and then click publish. You can see product from here. Here it is. And if you want to see all your products we have created, just go to all products and you can see all products here. Now we will see how can you add group product to WooCommerce store. The group product allows users to add multiple products to cart in single click. Fill in the title and description to boxes and come to product data section. Here click in this drop down icon and choose the group product. Enter any text you want. I have filled a logo collection. Go to link products and add the products that you want to add. So I have added the 3 products in the group, and now I have to do is you can also assign the category. Now we need to set a product image. So I am adding this image. This shows all the products, and in the gallery image you can add separate images of all the products. Now everything is set up and now you can publish the product. Now let's see the shop page, and this is our product we just created, and you can see all 3 products are here. If I click on add to cart button, okay, first I need to select the quantity, and if I click on add to cart button, all 3 products are here in the cart. So this is how you can add the group product to a WooCommerce store. If you are affiliation with another site or want to sell their products on your site, then you can do that also with WooCommerce. What you have to do is add product and fill in the details, then come to product data and select the external product. Here you need to enter the external link and button text and pricing. That's it. Now you can publish the product and showcase on your site. Have you seen products comes in different variations like color and sizes? Do you know how can you create? Let's see. Go to products and click on attributes. Here we will create color attribute. For example, if we have a t-shirt and it comes in different colors, so click on name and write color. Click on add attribute. Click on color. Now write the names of the color. Now we have created colors, and now click on add new product. Enter the title. Go to product data and select variable product. Now go to attributes. Click on add existing, select color and select colors. If you want to select all, click on select all. Click on save attributes. Now go to variations. Create on generate variations. Now our colors are here. Now if you want to set the prices, click on bulk actions. Click on set regular prices. Enter the price. Click on OK, and our price are set. Let's say if I want to enter a different amount on white t-shirt, then what I have to do is click on white color and enter the price. Now let's add the pictures of the t-shirts. Click on the color, add this icon and upload the image. Set the image. Do the same for other colors also. Now you can if you have picture, then you can upload it here. I am uploading this image. Click on publish. Now let's see our image on the shop page. Here is our t-shirt, and this is the option for color. If I choose blue, color t-shirt is changing, and here you can see variations, and with white the color and price is also changed. So this is how you can add the variable products to WooCommerce store. So this is how you can add products to WooCommerce store, whether it is physical, digital or variable product. In the further videos we will explore WooCommerce some more, and thanks for watching.